Let's see if you got this question right. If today is Sunday, 258 days from now will be Saturday, Sunday, Monday, or Tuesday. Which is this one is the right answer to this large question? Do you know the answer to this large question? If you do, leave it down in the comment and I will like your comment if you got it right. And for those who don't know me, welcome to the channel. I'm Professor Romeu and I bring you daily content on logic and math. So if you don't want to miss any challenge I post here every day, click subscribe now and leave your like. So I know you're enjoying the contents. And now that you have to pause the video and try to solve it, check the answer to see if you got it right. Well, this question is saying, today is Sunday. He asking about which day you be in 21,258 days from now. Well, we just need to divide by this number for 7 because by this way you're gonna know how weeks uh, has been passed for now. So 7 times 3 equal 21. So 21 0 2, okay, 3 0. Below this 5 here, well, 3 again because 7 times 4 equal 28, so it's more than 25. Well, 21, okay, 3 here, and below the 8 right here. Now you just have to 7 times 6 equal, and here is there's a equivocal, okay, it's 48. So 42 here, 48 minus 42 equals 6. So we have 3,038 weeks more 6 days. So from now is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay. Now is Sunday. So 6 days from now equal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 equal Saturday. Okay. So the right answer to this question is A, Saturday. Let me know if you got this question right. So comment here if you got it right or not. And to let me know you watched the video audio, comment where are you from. I'm from São Paulo, Brazil. Comment here where are you from. And thanks for watching and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.